Would you believe it if I told you we're going to work on a car and pull a carburetor off a 460 big block right now? 351 Windsor hiding in that thing back there in the woods, coming one with the earth. Alright, so not quite a car, my RV, the old party bus. We've come to take the carburetor off the old unit. We've already been out here a little bit, doing a few things. Went back to the house, grabbed a few tools, and grabbed the camera so I can show you guys. And then I'll show you guys what we're grabbing it for later. Sean went grab the sockets that he thinks he'll need, and I grabbed the backup. This is what the boys are over here working on. Fucking grabbing me for. No, shut the fuck up, dude. Over here in Chesapeake City trying to get this thing running.
Oh, we're in Mexico, dude. Come on. Show them this here. Come on. Bring up in here. Show them the limited edition badge.
Sensational.
Show them the interior. It comes with the fucking moss grown in it. Unlock, lock. That don't work. Here, give me. You cats ever seen an old school Ford like this? It's a kick-ass hug. Manual up in her. Standard shift unit. Clutch feels mighty nice. She's a ripper, boys. Got the spring joint so it comes back real nice. Oh my, there ain't nothing there. That ain't good. And she's the real long bed. She's the real deal, home. She ain't fucking around. Get you loaded up. Get you on out of there. Trick ride. Sean, he's bitching like usual.
How do you get that?
Give you a full walk by. Little damage here. Not too bad. Rockers, cab corners, mate. Doesn't look too bad up in here. Let's see. We'll have to see when we edit. I ain't crawling up under there, I'll tell you that. Not a bad, yeah. I could really use that bumper for mine. Nope. Anything you want to say?
Nah.
Alright. Catch y'all on the flip side. Oh. Got the big mold up in this son of a bitch. Hold on. Check Sean out.
What?
He's waiting for Josh to give him a king suck off. I need for this big job here. Big carb swap going on. How you feel about the carb swap, Sean?
I can't get it off.
Confident?
Trash.
You confident?
No.
Fuck, the owner's coming, boys. We gotta shut it down. We're out.
Yep.
Alright, ready? Bird told me his brakes, they're acting funky, he hears a weird noise, and they lock up when he goes in reverse. So for starters, now the lug nuts are off and you can't even get the wheel off, but look, reverse would be, so they're definitely locking up, huh? And then get the camera in here. If you can see in there,
Not really, it's dark.
but you can hear it. That is the caliper wiggling and hitting the rim. I think a bolt flew out. I think he lost the caliper bolt and now it's like seized on there.
It's locked.
Yeah.
No doubt.
Alright, well, let's just...
Yep.
Look, lost the caliper bolt. That would definitely cause some issues. Look at that rotor, my boy.
Oh my god, look at his brake shield.
That's why mine was making a weird noise, remember?
Yeah. Well, figure that issue out. Caliper bolt.
He's got his pads still.
Oh my god.
I've been all on my grind, gotta go and get mine. No, I'm one of a kind, I'll be there in no time. All this shit in my head
mind, gotta get to the bread. I know I'm running out of time.